Well, good evening. Witnesses say that there is no doubt that Justin Rackley murdered 3 people last summer in southwest Sioux Falls.
However, police body cam video shows Rackley telling police he'd been tied up in a basement and didn't know who fired the gun. And that's just some of the evidence presented in day 2 of the testimony in the Lincoln County triple murder trial. KELOLAND's Jordan DeSmit is back from the courthouse with an update on the case. Jordan?
Good evening. Well, today jurors got to hear from the man and woman who were at the party and survived. It gave them an idea of what happened leading up to the shooting and after police arrived. Here's what they had to say. Today, inside the Lincoln County Courthouse, jurors found out what brought Justin Rackley to the home on Drexel Drive on June 8, 2024. A woman who was shot in the arm but survived told jurors she met Rackley at Woody's Pub. She said he bought her a drink and they went to a couple of other bars. At the third location, she says a woman invited them to the get-together at the southwest Sioux Falls home. After they arrived, she says Rackley went to get firewood with the other men and they gave him the nickname Texas. The second witness who took the stand told jurors he and victim Kelly Reeves were dating and lived in the home where the shooting happened. He also said victim Daniel Chemnitz was his best friend and that he saw Rackley shoot him. The man told jurors that image will never go away and that it's burned in his mind. The man says the third victim, Michael Thompson, was a friend of his as well. After the shooting, both witnesses say they ran into the home. The man told jurors he ran back outside while he was on the phone with 911. That brief call was played today in court. The man says he dropped his phone as an armed Rackley chased him back into the house. When the woman heard them come inside, she said she hid in a closet. That's where she heard Rackley ask, "Who shot these people?" When asked if she believed he didn't know who pulled the trigger, she said she had no doubts that Justin Rackley fired the gun. During cross-examination, Rackley's attorneys pointed out that both witnesses were drinking throughout the night and questioned their ability to remember the night's events correctly. The defense also pointed out that during interviews after the shooting, the male witness was confused about where he met Rackley and didn't remember calling 911 or dropping his phone. He also told an officer he wasn't sure if Rackley hit him with a gun.
I understand there was some police body cam video. What did that show?
Yeah, so we saw multiple police officers running into the basement where Rackley and the male witness were in a scuffle. This is where we heard the witness claim that Rackley had killed his best friend, but we also hear Rackley claim he was tied up in the basement when the shooting happened. However, yesterday in court, jurors saw a video showing Rackley chasing the male witness with a gun.
And the trial resumes tomorrow?
Yes, it does.
All right. Thanks a lot, Jordan.
Thank you.